Hey, yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling, Dylan, and today we're going to talk about the upcoming Air Jordan 4 White Thunder. What's going on, everybody? If you guys enjoyed today's content, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit that bell so you're not going to miss another one of my videos. And today's topic, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. Now, I personally don't know how this release is going to go. At the time of recording this video, it is currently August 21st on a Wednesday. Yesterday was August 20th. First round of exclusive access went live on JD Sports and Finish Line. So in-store pickup was yesterday, and then also the online. So your pre-order went live today. So if you wanted these things and you got exclusive access via JD Sports and Finish Line, hopefully, you were able to secure your pair either in-store or online. However, your boy's passing, and, I'm not going to get full in-depth on why I'm passing on these things. I really love, all of the Thunder models, right? So far we've obviously had the Thunder 4s re-come back last year. That's just a classic, right? We also had the Red Thunders a couple years ago. Now we're also getting these things right here, the White Thunders. It's a very simple shoe, but that is the exact same reason why you can see these things doing very well, right? It's just an all black nubuck sneaker with the white accents. It's a nice, it's a really nice shoe, right? But it is very simple. And honestly, guys, I if you just saw my last video, you saw me pick up 3 pairs of Alma Maniere Air Jordan 3s. I know it's stupid. I give you my explanation in that video on why I even had to do so. However, I just have also been cutting back on buying shoes lately. And to be honest, a lot of the times I'll just buy shoes right now so I can get some content out for you guys, do an unboxing, do a review, and then I am shipping those things off right now. Unless I really am attached to the shoes. Most recently, with the Joe Fresh Good Pack, I'm keeping the Prom Blue pair. I am going to be getting rid of the Paris Red pair. The Social Status or the Whitaker Group New Balances as well. I am going to be picking up that Shadow Gray color, but that Steel Blue I'm getting rid of. So yeah, guys, I just, I'm to a point right now is I love sneakers. I love making content for you guys. I'm still embedded in the sneaker community, right? I'm constantly keeping up to date with the newest, hottest, greatest releases. However, it's just not feasible, and I feel like this is the majority of people as well, to be buying shoes every single week, weekend, whatever the case is, right? Now, speaking of the price and kind of, the economy as a whole right now, right? Different topic, but for these things, the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, these things are going to be retailing for a price of $215. They're going to be available on the Sneakers app, not a draw. It's going to be a first come, first serve at 10 a.m. Eastern on August 24th, this upcoming Saturday. Now, like I said, I can see these things doing fairly well on the resale. I hate to talk about resale, and this is the only point I'm going to make, and I'm not going to make it again. Some people say 4s are 400, right? I don't believe in that, especially not in this market right now. But I can see these things definitely sitting above retail at $215. My maybe prediction for these things is $280, maybe $300. And you're also thinking, right, $300 and you're already paying $215 out the door. If you have to pay tax in your state, maybe you're walking away closer to $230. If it goes up to $300, what are you making? A $70 profit, then you're paying taxes and fees on that. So maybe you walk away with 50 extra bucks in your pocket. 50 extra bucks in your pocket. I'm not saying anything about that. If you guys are into that, listen, money is money at the end of the day, but I don't think these things are worth going for that particular resell. I could be wrong. These things can skyrocket up to $500-$600. I don't know. I'm not into it for the resale market right now, right? So let's just talk about the shoes. Here's the little, brief little description for this pair coming out on Saturday. Now, we got bringing iconic color blocking from the 2006 Air Jordan 4. They're talking about the Thunder Air Jordan 4s. This ultra clean edition adds a sophisticated sneaker to your Air Jordan collection. It comes cloaked in a black nubuck leather with tasteful hits of white for a classic look that's easy to style. Whether you're honoring MJ's enduring legacy or giving a nod to the Air Jordan 4's 35th anniversary, the White Thunder is ready for the spotlight. If it's the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4, You'd think maybe we would have been having some more leaks of some more bangers. I mean, maybe that's right, the reason we're getting those undefeated 4s, and also the Fear 4s as well from the Fear Pack. We are getting those as well this year. But yeah, man, clean shoe overall. I really do like these things. I'm personally just going to be passing. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on these things, though, right? Black nubuck, white accents, simple as can be. It's an Air Jordan 4. Do we need a lot more black and white sneakers? I'm just begging the question, right? If you guys are balling and you guys are making a lot of money, yes, you guys can pick these things up. You can rock them, beat them through the dirt, whatever. However, I'm just curious, like, you know, as such a simple, clean colorway, non-collab, none of that, do you guys need this pair in your collection? Just asking a question. Do you need this pair in your collection? Let me know that good stuff down in the comments below. Will you be trying to cop these things? Did you pick them up from JD Sports and Finish Line exclusive access already? And will you be trying on the Sneakers app this Saturday, August 24th? So let me know what you guys think about these things down below in the comments section. Also, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here as well. And don't forget to click the bell so you're not going to miss another one of my videos. As well as please hit the share button, ladies and gentlemen. Share them to your friends, your family members, anybody who you know is loving or digging sneaker content. Your boy's been pumping out a lot of content lately. I hope you guys have been enjoying. And like I said, it just helps out the channel immensely if you do so. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.